In our Transoms 101 video, we talked about specifying the width and height of our window sash during the planning process. But before you start planning, we need you to understand one other important concept: depth. Our interior sashes, no matter what the pattern, are precisely 1 1/16 inch deep, our standard thickness. Our exterior sashes are slightly thicker at 1 9/16 inches. On the other hand, walls generally have a thickness from about 4.5 inches, but can be as much as 8 inches deep or more. So how does a window sash that is a little over an inch thick fit into a wall that is 4.5 inches thick or more? The answer? By adding a jamb to the sash. Think of a jamb as an adapter that's attached around the outside edge of your transom sash and holding the sash in place so that it can be attached to the thicker wall. Not all installations require a jamb. The Streamlined Planning Guide for your starting point will tell you if a jamb is required for your project. When required, adding a jamb to your transom sash makes the window completely ready to install. This combination of a window sash and a jamb is called a window unit. The distinction between a window sash and a window unit is important, since one includes the jamb and one does not. In the planning instructions, we will account for the additional width and height added by the jamb to the window sash as it becomes a window unit. These unit dimensions will also be shown during the ordering process if you add a jamb to your sash. Now you understand the concept of a window jamb. Invest a few moments in the planning section so that you can plan, measure, and install your transom window like a pro.